It's Meso, y'all. Welcome to my kitchen today where we're going to be making a delicious holiday banana bread or a bread for any time. Here's what we're going to be using. I have 3 cups of flour. Here I have my sugar. I have a cup and a half of oil. I have some baking soda, some salt. I got 3 eggs and I have some sour cream, about a half a cup. Look at these bananas. They are very, very ripe, just about to go bad. These are perfect. So Ava, hi.
Hello.
Are you going to help me today? Okay, what are we going to make?
Banana bread.
Banana bread. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. You ready?
Okay.
I'm going to go ahead and just use this pastry dough cutter, and I'm going to just begin to mash all of these bananas up. Ava, would you like to mash them up a little bit?
Yes, please.
Okay. Here you go. You do some mashing. Good job. I like the way you mash, girl. Let me help you out some, okay?
It looks like kind of like a pancake, a banana pancake.
It looks like a banana
Cake.
pound cake. Okay, I bet you're right. Okay, so we've got that done. We're going to move on to the next phase. Now that we have mashed these bananas really well, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. And here we're putting in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and salt. We got 1.5 cups of oil. This is vegetable oil going in right now. And we're going to put in 3 whole eggs. We are not going to separate them. We're putting in the whites and the yolks, 3 of them. And now we have in 2 cups of sugar going in. And we're going to just begin to mix it. Stir it up. We're going to put in 3 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to, after we stir it up, we're going to put it into a preheated 350-degree oven. There you go. Now we've taken it out, and looky, Miss Cookie, don't it look good? I put some butter on this because butter's going to make it taste so much better. And look at this. Oh, Ava, how do you like that? It's hot. Don't burn yourself. Okay. Oh, man. Oh, man, looking good. Smelling good, looking good. We have got to get us a taste of this. Ava, I'm going to just break us off some, and I want you to take this big old bite, and I'm going to take a little bite. It's good. Oh, yeah, it meets the approval. And what about you, Ava? Yeah, baby, this is good. Y'all come on and make this for your family, make it for yourself, make it for your kids. You're gonna love it. I want to thank you guys for watching. I want you to subscribe, share, comment, give this video a big old thumbs up if you like it. I thank you for watching. Bye-bye.